Pick up to Echo Lima, just caution the 22 running on heli apron west. Subject that traffic cross, rather lift your discretion, cross runway 26.
Visual with the 22, lift and cross on discretion, Golf Lima. Power. Got 62%. Controls got normal warning lights without. Clear to cross. Did you say you could cross? Yeah. Okay.
Echo Lima, cross runway 26 and Alpha departure.
Running out, Golf Lima. Very nice. Are we going to go in Heathrow this way then? Yeah, we'll go northward, straight over the
That'd be cool. I haven't done it in that direction before.
You're not?
No.
That's the way it usually goes.
Oh, nice. Was so busy when we were out earlier. I had the pilot aware on my phone. I'm glad I put it on my phone. Unbelievably busy.
They were like coming in like wasps every direction.
Yeah, but hopefully you get loud on Heathrow. I think it was just because of that training area over there.
Yeah.
Golf Echo Lima just approaching northward.
Golf Echo Lima, Roger. I just need to speak to Heathrow Tower, but you are clear to enter the London controls on Hotel 9 southbound, hold north of Sipson initially. Stand altitude.
Cleared Hotel 9, southbound, hold north of Sipson. Standard altitude, Golf Echo Lima. Okay. So, standard altitude is 2,000 feet until we get to Hayes, then it goes down to 1,000.
Is it 2,000 after Northwood?
Yeah, yeah, Northolt, and then there you have to be at 1,000. Perfect.
It's interesting. Because when it changes over to Hotel 10, it goes down to 1,500, but I guess that's because you're getting closer to the final approach path.
Yeah. Radar control.
Cool. And basically, yeah, aim for the midpoint of bird there.
It's always when I'm flying with you, Jack.
I know.
Golf Echo Lima is a radar control service inside.
A radar control service, Golf Echo Lima.
Golf Alpha Romeo is radar control service.
Yeah.
Radar control service, Alpha Romeo. Confirm you're looking to go southbound, then turn eastbound towards the QE2. Affirmative, sir. Affirmative, sir. Okay, report turning towards the east from the Isle of Dogs. We'll report turning east from the Isle of Dogs. Alpha Romeo.
So there's another heli route that goes down that way, down the A40.
Oh, right.
And that you can go to London, but obviously we're going to go past Heathrow and then back on ourselves. You can see the way the heli routes are kind of aligned is over all the green areas. You can kind of see this green patch that goes that way.
How come you're even allowed to do this?
It's so that it can facilitate a crossing north to south because it's a big piece of airspace.
It is safe, really.
And it is safe, yeah. And it allows you to kind of get everywhere you need to go.
Very please, if I see you, just radio check, please.
Surely it disrupts, like, the
So last
flight.
station.
We have to wait for them. We just have to wait.
252. Just a second, low level. Thank you. Okay. Golf Echo Lima, Visual Heathrow.
A-firm Golf Echo Lima.
Confirm firstly, Golf Echo Lima, confirm Visual Heathrow.
A-firm Golf Echo Lima.
Roger, hold north of Simpson, contact Heathrow Tower 118.705.
Contact Heathrow Tower 118.705, remain north of Simpson, Golf Echo Lima.
Thanks, cleared to land. Land 27 right, Sabre 72, thanks for that.
Heathrow Tower, helicopter Golf, India Charlie, Echo Lima.
Golf, India Charlie, Echo Lima, good day. Heathrow, hold north of Simpson.
Holding north of Simpson, Golf Echo Lima.
Right, so they're landing 27 right. You've got one there, one about 2 miles away. Yeah, one about 2 miles behind him.
Heathrow Tower, tonight the 533, ILS 27 right. Chinese and 533, good day. Continue 27 right. Continue
So this is where the new runway is going to be.
Right here.
Yeah, it's basically going to go all the way through that bit. It's going to be kind of offset a little bit up there. Goes over the M25, which is over there.
Right.
And then they're going to put the M25 under a tunnel through it. But I guess all of this gets...
Golf Echo Lima, from Simpson, route eastbound, remaining to the north of runway 27 right, please, towards the 27 right threshold.
From Simpson, route eastbound, remaining north of the 27 right threshold, Golf Echo Lima.
Speed at 72, vacate
Did I
left,
get the figure?
contact ground lease 121855, bye.
12185, speed at 72, thanks, bye.
Golf Echo Lima, your traffic is Qatari A350 on a 1.5 mile final, report visual.
Visual. Yeah. Visual, Golf Echo Lima.
Echo Lima, thanks, Qatari 1 Hotel, runway 27 right, clear to land, 300 degrees, 8 knots.
27 right, clear to land, sorry, 1 Hotel.
Golf Echo Lima, behind the landing, Qatari A350, you're cleared to cross, 27 right, and then route east of the threshold, runway 27 left.
After the landing traffic, route southbound of 27 right and 27 left, Golf Echo Lima.
Traffic, 11 o'clock, low, less than 1 mile.
Look at that. Where's that? That's the Qatari.
That's the Qatari down
So
there.
we cleared across already.
Yeah.
Okay.
Chinese and 533, continue approach, helicopter traffic, crossing right to left at the threshold now.
Copy, continue approach tonight at 533.
Bit Concorde down there. You see Concorde there?
Yeah, that's cool.
Qatari 1 Hotel, vacate left, please contact ground 1219005.
If I kid left on ground 21905, Qatari 1 Hotel, yeah.
And Golf Echo Lima, join Hotel 9 southbound, confirming that's the routing for you.
If I'm joining Hotel 9 southbound, Golf Echo Lima.
Thanks for contact radar again, 125.625, bye.
125.65, thank you, good day, Golf Echo Lima.
Johnny.
Heathrow radar, helicopter Golf, India Charlie, Echo Lima.
So now routine Bracknell, Fair Road, VFR, not above altitude 1,500 feet.
Nope.
Okay,
That's the right, yeah.
Bracknell, Fair Road, still above 1,500 feet, Eric, 117.
Heathrow radar, helicopter Golf, India Charlie, Echo Lima.
Golf India Charlie, Echo Lima, Heathrow, hello there. Continue Hotel 9, then left turn at Sunbury, H3, standard altitude VFR. Clearance limit will be Roehampton at the moment.
Roger, Hotel 9, left turn at Sunbury Lock. Hotel 3, clearance limit is Roehampton, Golf Echo Lima, standard altitude.
Correct. Golf Alpha Romeo, just
Sunbury
supersonic
Lock.
airspace now, score 7,000, free call en route, my service now terminates.
7,000 outside the area, thank you so much for accommodating us, really appreciate it. Golf Alpha Romeo.
No problem, bye-bye.
Bye.
1,200
Golf Alpha
feet, yeah.
02, scorecard airport, your altitude now, please.
And then you have 800 1022, nothing to say.
Okay, copy. It's a radar control, so with traffic behind you, looking for you, Bell 429. It's about 3 miles behind, routing same direction.
Radar control official with Bell 49, nothing to say.
Sure. So, 017, you're about to enter the London control zone now under a radar control service report visual, Derek.
Radio Control Service will carry direct contact.
525 visual traffic ahead.
Just speed 25, copy, thanks. Close your engine now, radar control service.
Radar control, 25.
Please 252.
Go ahead, sir.
There's a Robinson 66 on H3, just approaching Richmond to overfly you. Are you happy to switch north side against that, just past as you pass?
Yes, so we can go north side. We're down at 400 at the moment anyway.
Okay, yeah, I'll give you a heads up when it gets to Roehampton.
Thank you very much. I'll remain on scene until you're sorry.
That's 400.
And November 02, just confirm your routing request is Ascot Thorpe N25.
Hey, sir, finishing up a ticket on the 02.
That's approved.
Yeah, so with the new runway at Heathrow, obviously if they're going to have landing traffic there, they'll be further north.
Yeah.
So how are those
Please
HeliLanes going to
252,
work?
the traffic's approaching
Yeah,
Roehampton now.
Understood, 252, we'll move north, mate.
Okay, copy, thanks, and brake, go back to Lima then, continue, and then to Barnes, then south bank of the river, eastbound against the police traffic, which is an EC-45 helicopter. That'll be on the north bank, but very low.
Continue Hotel 3, then eastbound up the river, remaining south bank. Copy the traffic. Keep a lookout for quickly.
That's it, next clearance limit will be London Bridge.
Next clearance limit, London Bridge, Golf Equity.
Please 252 north side.
Please 252, copy, thanks, just for the traffic in south of the 66.
So we're looking low. Stay high. Yeah, looking low.
Number 22, you're right there, it's hovering down on it.
I'm not sure if you can see it then. It's just that. It's just hovering. So we'll just stay down. How far down? Literally
12 o'clock now.
it's quite hard to spot. Literally a little yellow dot.
Yeah.
But back high.
Right to the left of the river.
Yeah, visual. Not sure. But there's a police boat in the river. Looks like it's got the door open as well, potentially.
That's south.
Lima, Roger. There is a fixing traffic your left-hand side for the hard runway. North side land at your discretion. There is a cavalry low level. Also, 2 people working on the runway lights.
Visual with boat traffic. Golf Equity.
Heli Alpha, Farnborough 132.8.
Alpha Delta, Roger, free call Farnborough, bye-bye.
Must be quite cool actually working on that building site.
Yeah.
Alpha Mike, when you're ready, 180 backtrack for Kate.
You like helicopters and things.
Think across to somebody there, Golf Alpha Mike, when you're ready, 180 backtrack for Kate Alpha. 180 backtrack for Kate Alpha, Golf Alpha Mike. The aircraft taxi, say again your call sign.
Golf Whiskey Alpha Romeo Sierra at your.
Golf Romeo Sierra, Roger, taxi to the Bravo hold via Alpha Bravo. Runway 26, left-hand circuit, QNH 1021.
Put it on the fuel pad again.
Yeah.
Taxi Bravo via Alpha Bravo. Runway 26, left-hand circuit, QNH 1021, Golf Romeo Sierra.
Car 02, Bravo Bravo, yellow box, request radio check and taxi for departure.
Bravo Bravo, Elstree information, readability 5, just hold until a PA28 passes you down the left-hand side, coming from behind, the right-hand side, coming from behind you. When he's clear, follow him to the Bravo hold.
To the Bravo hold, after PA28, right, Golf Bravo Bravo.
Heli Echo Lima ready to cross back to fuel.
Heli Echo Lima, that's approved. Cross 26 now, Heli Apron D spot 5.
Crossing to spot 5. Call Echo Lima.
Golf Alpha Mike, request exit park.
Golf Alpha Mike, Roger, give way to the PA28 going along Bravo. He's going to be followed by the blue-topped Robin. When they're both clear, taxi parking.
Taxi parking after 2 aircraft, Golf Alpha Mike.
Golf Tango Whiskey Alpha.
Tango Whiskey, report final.
Roger, Golf.
Heli Golf Echo Hotel, Circuit North.
Helicopter Echo Hotel, circuit north at your discretion, 330 degrees, 7 knots.
Taking off, Echo Hotel.
How long can you go above 110 knots?
You can always go all the way up to 130. But the only limit on the speed, I mean, there's an orange band there because if you're in rough air, you don't particularly want to be going too fast because you can put too much stress on the aircraft and you get mast bumping and other issues. The 66, normal 66 is actually 140 knots, but this one is 130 because it's got the floats on it. BNE in auto rotation, so you can't go above 100 knots in auto rotation because what we talked about earlier with the inflow angle, you don't have enough air hitting the blades at the right angle to keep them spinning. And then
it's quite interesting the BNE as well. If you're up at 10,000 feet,
it comes down, doesn't it?
You're at 96 knots.
Yeah.
But you could easily go.
This is also indicated airspeed as well, so your true airspeed is going to be higher.
Yeah.
The other limit that you've got with speed is 65 knots there. Above 65 knots, you can't pull above 82%. Was it 83%? 83% torque.
Yeah.
Nice.
Weird.
Yeah.